The very first proper August Pixel Buds feature drop has, well, dropped, bringing with it a slew of new features that take one of the best Google Pixel companions and makes them ever harder to ignore. So let's go hands on. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Before we dive in, for those still waiting to get the 550 firmware updates for their own Pixel Buds, there is a quicker way to force the upgrade on your earbuds. To start with, clear your Pixel Buds app, data and storage, and then link to your device again. Play music or podcasts for around 15 minutes or so before returning your buds to their case and leaving for 15 further minutes. In most cases, or in our cases, this appears to force the Pixel Buds to update to the August feature drop if you haven't already got it. Now with that out of the way, here's everything new and notable coming to your truly wireless earbuds of choice. Part of a new sound section, Google has addressed some of the audio complaints in the very first Pixel Buds feature drop. While it's hard to tell if any major boosts are made, you can enable bass boost from this enhanced settings menu. You can adjust the EQ settings for bass boost, but it should hopefully give your Pixel Buds a little more oomph in certain tracks and result in a fuller overall audio experience. Given that the earbuds rely on much smaller drivers than your headphones, your mileage may vary though. If you listen to music, podcasts or watching videos, then the experimental new feature called Attention Alerts might be pretty useful. Like adaptive sound, this feature will adjust the audio volume when earbuds detect a baby crying, a dog barking, or emergency vehicle sirens, therefore making it easier to listen to audio and still be alert of your surroundings. Thanks to the August Pixel Buds feature drop, you can now disable touch controls and eliminate accidental touches, taps and swipes. What's even neater is the ability to either delve into your device settings or make this change just by asking the Google Assistant. Extending upon those touch controls are a few new voice commands, including the ability to check the status of your battery life so long as you have the August Pixel feature drop installed on your Pixel Buds. All you need to ask is, "Hey Google, what's the battery life on my earbuds?" to get an accurate indication of your Pixel Buds' remaining lifespan. If you're constantly losing your headphones, well, thanks to the August feature drop for your Pixel Buds, you're now integrated into your Find My Device account. This means you can log into the app or web page and find out the last known location on a map. This might be useful if you do find yourself misplacing your buds quite regularly. If you have only one pair of earbuds and you and your friend want to listen to some music or watch a YouTube video, then it can be an annoying process, especially if you both prefer different volume levels. Sharing detection though lets you give one bud to another person, and then it lets you control the volume level of each earbud individually using swipe controls. As far as neat features go, this might be one of the most overlooked, but actually most useful. So that's more or less everything new in the Pixel Buds feature drop, but owners out there, we want to hear from you. Have you managed to get the August feature drop on your Pixel Buds? And if you have, what new additions have you enjoyed the most so far? And even adding to that, what would you like to see in the future? By all means, slap a comment down below and subscribe for more content just like this. But until next time, this is Damien with 9to5Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.